Started in 1995 as a repair facility, Zimmerman Steel has grown into one of the premier metal fabricators in North America. We offer a wide variety of products including stairways, ladders, platforms, semi-trailer components, highway steel components, tanks, equipment skids, stacks and ductwork for the utility sector, pipe supports, U-bolts, I-beam foundations for the oil and gas industry, material handling components, and fabricated pipe components. Need a custom solution? We can help. With our years of expertise, there is not much that we have not seen or done. We can handle it all, from large projects to production runs of smaller components. Call us today to see what we can do for you.